chicken winging your arms at the same time, you're going to push, and the zip ties will just pop right off. And you want these as tight as you can get them, because the tighter they are, the easier it will be to defeat the locking mechanism of the zip ties. So got these as tight as we can go. And in one fluid motion, you're going to come from the top and push down, and you almost want to simulate touching your shoulder blades together as you come down. So here we go.
How to escape from a zip tie by using your shoelaces. Quick note, there's a few different methods that you can use to escape from zip ties. This one isn't my favorite, but it's good for you to know your options. First, you're going to want to untie your shoes. Next, thread one shoelace through the zip tie and tie a knot with the other shoelace. Finally, pedal your legs like you're riding a bicycle so the zip tie breaks, and remember to always wear your Inviswear so you can send your location to your friends in case of an emergency.